Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Samsung is updated enough for custom sounds. One UI and Android versions differ, so make sure updates are installed. Once done, locate the audio file you want in My Files or internal storage. Keep it under 30 seconds for clarity. Now open Settings, tap Sounds and Vibration, then scroll to System Sounds. This gets you to lock/unlock options. You're starting the exact path to change the sound, not just browsing menus. Follow these taps next. Now tap System Sounds and Vibration, then choose Lock Screen Sound or Screen Lock/Unlock depending on your model. You'll see built-in tones and an Add or My Sounds button. Tap that to browse storage and pick your file. If the phone rejects it, convert to MP3 or WAV and keep sampling rate standard. Use a simple editor to trim to under 15 seconds for consistent playback. Once selected, preview it so you hear how it will sound when the screen locks and unlocks. Finish by saving your choice and immediately testing. Lock the screen and unlock to confirm the sound plays. If you don't hear it, make sure lock screen sounds are enabled, Do Not Disturb isn't muting system sounds, and media/system volumes are up. If it still fails, restart the phone, re-add the audio from a different folder, or convert the file to a supported format. These steps fix most issues. If necessary, revert to a built-in tone to verify system-level sound behavior before retrying your custom file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.